Guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, today I'm super happy. I'm so excited. I don't know how to express it, but I'm super happy, guys, today. Yeah, finally. First of all, I thank the Almighty for this far and my family also. Finally, something new is here, guys, and I want to share it with you. So if this is your first time here, much welcome to this channel. Here we have visitors, and feel free, guys. And for the returning subscribers, welcome back to this channel, guys. Welcome to the family, and thank you so much for the support. Yes, thank you so much for the returnees. Thank you so much. I do appreciate you and I love you back. And if you have viewed my videos and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. Subscribe is free, guys, so kindly subscribe to the channel. Road to 1,000 subscribers. So guys, in today's video I just want to share with you one of the things that I purchased today, guys, and I really thank God for this far. Yes, that's all I can say. I thank the Almighty for this far. So let's just get into the video and see what is it. This is what I purchased, and I really thank God for this far. So let's just unbox it with you guys, and I know you will enjoy it, yeah, as much as I do. So let's do this.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child.
So guys, this is my washing machine. This is how it is looking like. It is a Hisense 8 kg washer and dryer, guys, and I really love it, guys. The color and everything, the company, I love everything about my washing machine. And this is how inside is looking like. Yes, that is how it is looking like. I still don't know how to use it, but pole to guys, slowly by slowly. I don't even understand where to put what and what and what, but with the time everything will be okay. It also came with this one here, the pipe, the manual, and it also has 2 years warranty. Yes, and this one here, so stay tuned, guys. I love it, guys.
Rolling the dice, praying.
That's how my washing machine is looking like, guys. Is a Hisense gray in color, guys. 8 kg wash and 5 kg dry. Yeah, it is a washer and dryer. So guys, I can't talk more about it because I haven't used it. So I just want to go through the manual, then I use it and give you the updates how it works, guys, and yeah, how good it is. So thank you for watching up to this point. If you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, share me out, guys, if you can, and I will appreciate. Thank you so much for the support, and kindly subscribe to the channel. Road to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Watch until the end.
Dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. When you're out on your own, a million miles from